just want to look at you. Oh, you're so cool and you're so big. Oh man, my camera just isn't doing you justice. Woo! It's not trying to hurt you, dude. Oh man, that's so cool. Yeah, it's starting to rain. I love bugs. I love nature. Oh, dude, my camera sucks right now. Is that better? You want to see? I love the sounds, especially when they fall on these. Scarred for life. Just kidding. I can make these go away. I just need some time. I'm still not shaving yet. Don't judge, okay? Nose, like, I don't need no more staph infection. I do probably need a better camera that can focus. There we go. Oh, you know what I really want is a new iPad. I put it on my wish list. I'm just like, keep dreaming, kid, right? Who's ever gonna take care of me like that? Oh no, just me. Actions speak. Oh, these sounds, you guys, these sounds. You hit those guys? Oh, you guys, I'm really missing my boyfriend. I'm not too happy camper, but I'm like, I don't even know what to say anymore, you know? Part of me thinks he's moved on. But what else would I expect living all the way across the country? I don't appreciate liars and sneaks, and people don't believe my psychic abilities either. They just want to avoid me because they're scared of me and my power. Kind of like people are afraid of God. People who really believe in God. They know God's power because God is the only one that makes bad things happen. But it's not bad. In fact, it's just a lesson. It's another side of the spectrum. Negative ions and positive ions. Woo! Oh my God, are you okay? Oh no. God. I don't want to get eaten by bugs, but God, you look cool and you give me the EBGBs, dude. EBGBs. Whoa. I've been bit by too many things in my life, I guess. I don't know. It makes me want to like cover up all my skin. I'm kind of in the process of taking my trash out. Soldier! Psychopathic soldier, y'all. Oh, my poor plants, you know, some of them are like getting too much water. I got a lot of work to do. I was actually about to go to the doc. It's time to get blood drawn for real, for real. Maybe I'll take a video of that too. Is that allowed? Oh man. Alright, my phone's getting too wet. Gotta go. Love you. Take care of yourself. Jabberguan.